if I give it in the form of a sentence to the child, and instead of telling the child to, make a sentence of this word, which is not up to the mark at times, so the sentence is given by us, and then the word insight is taken up. So an instance of understanding, the true nature of a thing, especially an intuitive understanding. So this is also a way of doing vocabulary in the class, because more the vocabulary, and obviously the better the speaking skills of a child. So can we have some fun time activity too? Before that, I will just have an insight to these words. Disdainful, yes, to look down on people. In his estimation here means in his opinion. Pondered, she came to her final thought. And come again, could you repeat it? Yes. Have we gone through these words? You can put it in the chat box. Have we gone through these words? Yes or no? Yes, yes. Just type it in your chat box. Roshni, thank you for that quick response. Thank you so much, Pala. A husband had, already been disdainful of people who, in his estimation, talk too much. He told his wife he had heard that men use 2,200 words a day, while women use 4,400 words. That means double. So the wife pondered for a moment, and she said that's because women have to repeat everything they say to their husband. He looked up and said, come again. So this is a way of maybe taking a joke which is appropriate for the class. Annie says yes to it, correct. And this is how the vocabulary can be done, or phrases can be done. Okay. So Roshni, thank you for that smiley in the chat box. Now, some good resources for words are the new songs and TV shows. And depending on your daily habits, if you love listening to music, pay attention to the lyrics and note down the words also. So, songs generally contain a lot of useful vocabulary, phrases, and expressions. Can we listen to a song? I would request you can unmute and sing along. Great, great. I can see people singing. Unmute and sing. Everything
Of a very
Can't take the future if you fail. I believe
good in everything I say.
everything I see. Everything my
cross the street without you.
oh
Mm.
yeah. I have a dream, fantasy, and be true. Reality. Imagination makes it worthwhile. Through the dark to another mile. I believe in angels. I'm good in everything I see. When I
I
know the
believe in
time's right for
angels
me,
when I know the time is right for me. I
I
draw
have
the
a
string.
dream.
I have a dream.
Thank you so much. Excellent singers here, I can see. So I hope we are in the right group. We have a lot of great singers here. So these are the phrases, which you can pick up. I hope you enjoyed the song, lovely song. And these are the phrases which can be done from songs, and this can be easily done in the classroom. No other resources required, just an audio. And on the mobile, you can sing along. And if the words are there on the screen, it makes it very easy for us to, get along with the song. Now, who can take the challenge? Let's take the challenge. It is a fear of long words. What is the word here? Yes, anybody who can take the challenge, just try it out.
Okay,
Anybody?
So it is hippopotamus, potamonus, trisk. Just a second.
Great.
Monstrous,
Great.
quipedaliophobia.
Okay.
Fideliophobia.
Okay. It is
I think it's hippopotamonstrous
Pedaliophobia.
Yeah, hippopotamonstrous. Again, just break it into parts and speak. Hippopotamonstrous.
Aliophobia.
Yeah. Great. I think that was great trying. By
Hippopotamonstrous
So, ma'am, even if we didn't have it earlier, now we have the phobia.
Yes. So these are the words. You can play games from these words. The child can make as many words from this. This word has got 36 alphabets. Can you beat it? And it's a very long word. Yes, somebody was trying. Yes, somebody was trying. It is hippopotamonstrous. Very good. Excellent try. Great. Yeah, all are risk takers here. Great. So again, give it a try. It's hippopotamonstresso quipedaliophobia. Yes. Anybody?
Pedaliophobia.
Yeah. So the idea here is that yes, in case we teach a long word, it has to be broken into short words, smaller words. Yes. Good. So you got a hang of it. This is the
I guess that even helps in pronunciations, if I'm not wrong.
Great. Pronunciation, stress, intonation, everything. So in case you take a long word, it helps a lot because you can do so many things with a long word. So,
break it into syllables and
excellent idea. That's great. You can break it into small syllables, into smaller parts, and because children get stuck with long words. So if you give a very long word, like 36 alphabets, a word with 10 alphabets would seem very short, right? So that is the reason you give a very long word so the child is able to practice it. Anybody who can go in for pronunciation practice with tongue twister? Yes, the first one. Any taker for the first one?
How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
Excellent. Second one. Anybody else who
She
wants to give
sells
it a try?
seashells by the seashore.
Excellent. Third one.
Can a can as a
Can you
can
can as the canner can a can. Betty bought a bit of
the butter Betty
the
bought
butter
bitter
Betty
made a
bought
wrapper
was a
butter
bit butter and made her batter bitter. A bit of better Betty bought a bit of better butter, making Betty Botter's bitter batter better.
Great.
And
Great.
made her better.
Very
Great,
good.
great.
So in case we speak, only then communication comes, right? We cannot be silent, in a class of communication skills, isn't it so? Now, group storytelling, this is one of the best ways of, enhancing communication skills. Why? Because it will incorporate listening as well as speaking skills. Not only that, even the imagination of the child gets enhanced through group learning. So the effective exercise to enhance communication skills, this activity should have one group moderator, who will deliver the story's first line. For example, so the other day I went to, and there has to be a gap there and the child starts off. So each participant in the group is responsible for making up their own contribution to the story. Can we do the small activity right now, today? And this can be the start of a story. Do you want to try with a small story?
Yes.
Yes, please start. And
Yes.
Yes, please start. The first, who's taking the initiative? Yes, Roshni is taking the initiative, right? Anything which comes to your mind, don't hesitate. and don't think it can be anything funny if you want to, anything. For if for
Yeah,
instance,
boy has two nose on his face.
great
And
today
he's
you
sitting
saw a
right
boy.
in the park.
Okay, so you saw him in the park, right? Anybody else who
Yeah,
wants
yeah.
to continue with this story? Yes, anybody who wants to continue with this story?
He was feeling a bit hesitated about how to face the world. He was
Great.
thinking about what should he do further to interact with others in the park.
Yes. So the pandemic helped him and he put on a mask, right?
He needs two masks.
Yes, so he needs two masks.
So I'll go next. So he kept on brooding and brooding and brooding because there were no friends with him to play with.
Great, great.
And he
How
was
quickly the
feeling left
stories come
out.
up. Yes, he was
And
feeling
he was
left out.
feeling left out because his
Yes.
mother was busy in a webinar.
Okay. Okay.
And
the
there
webinar-
came a little puppy
Yeah,
and went to the little boy, and both
Yeah.
of them started playing.
playing, and this motivated him to go into the park and play with the puppy. And now he's in a good mood. Why? Because he's not that gloomy and stuck up, right? So
And he's
towards
not
the
all alone.
and I would just like to say that choose internal beauty, because people will never remember the details of what your face looks like, and they will always remember the way you made them feel and how gentle you were, the comfort your work gave them, your kindness, your compassion, and your respectfulness. I think that matters a lot. So let's interact here. Any queries also, but the interaction here would be that my question here would be that what is the biggest barrier to communication? Yes. One by one, you can unmute and just give your opinion here. What is the biggest barrier to communication? Yes, who
I
would
think
like
it's
to start?
hesitation.
Ma'am, in some
Meenakshi?
cases it is hesitation.
Okay, what else?
I feel self-confidence could be one of the reasons.
Self-confidence. Great,
Yeah.
great. Yes,
Sometimes
lack
we
of
run out
words
of
to express.
words.
Mini, I agree with you. Yes,
Introvert nature, ma'am.
introvert nature. Yes.
Mother tongue
Clear
introvert
about
language
the
skills.
Okay.
content.
Mother tongue
Not clear
influences
about the
there.
content.
Not clear about
Lack
the
of
content.
communication skill.
Communication
Even the
skill can be
What if
trends.
we go wrong?
yes, that
While speaking
I am
to
going
others.
wrong. Yes, that lowers the confidence level, that I might go wrong.
Yes.
That hesitation. Correct. Yes. Any
Even the
other?
trends changing.
Stage fright is there.
Okay.
Ma'am,
What if I
stage
go
fright
wrong?
is
Mini?
there.
Yes.
The
Somebody
changing
have
trends.
vocabulary? Changes? Trends.
Changing trends. Like for example, these days slangs are up in trend. So
Right,
in
right,
case I'm
right.
not aware of it, so that
I might feel
doesn't
hesitant.
encourage me. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Your
So I feel
environment, the surrounding you are in,
the
that is
surroundings
also one of the reasons.
also biggest. Okay.
Ma'am,
What
stage
else?
fright is
Ma'am,
there.
at
Stage
times
fright
there
is
is fear of being rejected also.
Fear of being
Absolutely
rejected.
right.
Yes. Lack
Yes.
of practice. Mini, correct?
Fear of losing respect also.
Fear of losing. Log kya kahenge syndrome. That matters a lot
Yeah,
to us.
Yeah.
If I say this,
Even
what
the
are the
fear.
other people going to say? So these are, little hesitation. But you know what I have seen, according to me, the biggest barrier to a good communication skill is a bad attitude. Everything comes. Rest everything comes with time, but an attitude which is not positive, that I feel is the biggest, this barrier to communication skills. So if you have a mindset that is, stuck, that is, a bad mindset, or if you don't have a growth mindset, that will affect the communication skills. So my honest request to you all is that, that hone your skills, and this is the best time when you can do it. And to end the session, I would just like to relate a small, story there, that there was a
Ranjana
Yes.
ma'am,
Yes,
this is
ma'am.
in connection with the last point. You said the wrong attitude. Now, whose
Yes.
attitude? The person who is willing to speak, or the others who are his listeners? Aren't they encouraging him,
Good
or
question.
aren't they motivating him? Yeah.
Yeah.
That's,
Yeah. Very good question. I really want to answer this question here, that, in case I'm giving my remote control into the hands of others, so I will not benefit from that. So my attitude should be positive, right? So I can just take care of my attitude. I have to be positive. And in case the other person doesn't want to be positive, that is his wish, right? So whatever I speak, that concerns me, that is my karma. I have to do it well. So this is what my concern is, and there can be a lot of perspectives on this. A little bit of perspective also is the biggest barrier to communication. That my perspective does not go with yours. Like there's a story wherein there's a number 9 in the center, and one person says it's 6, the other says it is 9. So who is right here and who is wrong here? So this is something, it is so personal, that if I am speaking something and the other person does not agree to it, and maybe the facial expressions show it, that should not in any case be something which has to demotivate you.
Can I add on to this?
Yeah.
I guess the fear of acceptance, I guess, should not be there in the students. That's what we should teach the students, that they should
True.
not feel that they should be acceptable everywhere and they can please everybody.
True.
That
has to be there.
Yeah.
That has to be discussed with the children. True.
Absolutely.
So that
Ma'am,
has to be
I can
discussed
also
with the
just
children
add,
every day, because this fear, I think not only the children, everybody has it. Even we also have it. You go to a
Ma'am,
new
if
environment.
I can
Yes.
just add here too, this is Dimple Vij on the side, and I will just
Yeah.
add on a point here. When we talk about the communication, actually at times you forget there is a lot which is conveyed without the use of language, using
True.
non-verbal communication.
Very true.
And there are times when there is a contradiction between the two, and we need to give the other person a chance to express. Language should be something which should facilitate your process of communication. It should
So
not
true.
become a barrier or something which should be used as a means of basically labeling anyone. If a person is speaking well in a particular language and not in
Yes.
the other language, we
Hmm.
at times form impression about them. So when you talk
Yes.
about attitude and approach and perspectives, that plays a crucial role.
Very true. And sometimes silence speaks, I think, more than words. I read somewhere that there was a poetic line, she's talking to silence and listening to its sound. I found it so beautiful a line. और किसी ने कितना अच्छा बोला है कि शब्दों का शोर तो कोई भी सुन सकता है, और खामोशियों की आवाज समझो तो कोई बात हो.
And
Isn't it?
कई बार मैम हम लोग active listening भी नहीं use कर पाते. We
Very true.
tend to intervene even before the person is given a chance to express themselves.
Yeah, and we start answering or we start judging. So it doesn't matter. It's a question of practice. So I think if we practice it, I think day in and day out, we are going to be very successful. Yeah. I would just like to finish this session with a very short, story that there was a newly joined woodcutter, and the king was really impressed by his dedication towards this work. So out of encouragement, he started giving his best in work, and he would cut 18 trees in the first month, and the king was happy. But in the next month, it went down to 15, then to 12, then to 6. So the king asked him, the reason, and the woodcutter said it could be because he might have lost his strength. But the king, said that when was the last time, when you sharpened your axe? And that was the only reason he could have not cut many trees. So my request and my humble request to each one of you is take breaks in between and balance your life and your priorities, and also invest time with your family, and save some time to reorient, to boost up your skills. And with this, I would like to end the session, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ranjana ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Absolutely
Thank you so
amazing.
much.
You were,
Thank you.
I was actually
Thank you.
good. So wonderful. I mean, and it's exactly 1 hour. So congratulations. That shows your professionalism. And from the word go to the end, you had so much to share. But and you made this 1 hour session so interesting for every one of us. And I'm sure that all
Thank you
the
so much.
participants really gained from this. So we will have about 5 minutes of any question answer. Ma'am, if you could stop sharing your screen, we would,
Yeah.
so we could see the people, and then it's nice to see people faces when we talk. Yeah, thank you. So
thank you so much.
Yeah. So if there is any question, I mean, we can just spend about 5 minutes in taking 2 or 3 questions, if relevant to the session today. Then
yes.
Yeah.
Why not? Yeah.
If anybody wants to ask a question, please go ahead.
If anybody wants to share also, give
Yeah,
us more
please.
ideas also, most welcome. Thank you for the comments that are coming in the chat box. But in case you want to share your experience, it was an amazing session for me. It was so wonderful to hear everybody sing aloud. It gives so much of happiness seeing people, unmute and, that bindas singing. I just love it. I just loved it. Thank you so much for being there. because that stress level should not be there when you sit for a session. You should be very happy, calm, and the moment you feel that happiness and the calmness in the mind, I think that learning becomes easier for each one of us.
Thank you so much. So if there are no questions, we'll just end it up because these are
Wonderful to be here, and I'll be seeing you more often in case sir allows me to. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. You're most welcome. It's been an absolute pleasure hosting you. So may I
Thank you
request,
so much.
as many of you, if you could come on camera, then I could take a screenshot. It would
that we will do.
This technique I learned from somewhere. That we should always take photograph of the participants who are there. Although so willing to camera, it becomes a record. And of course, I'll be sharing the video. So just give me a minute. Thank you. And the more happy faces and smiling faces we have, the better it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, just allow me to shift screens because all of us are not coming on one screen. Thank you. Just give me 2 more minutes, please. Because actually we are on 4 screens, so I don't want to miss out anyone.
Okay.
So
wonderful to interact with you all. In fact, I was just reading in the chat box only. And Dia, thank you so much.
Yeah, so it's been an amazing session, ma'am, and there were more people waiting in the waiting room, but unfortunately we could accommodate only 100. So that shows that it was an amazing session, and people, all of them mostly joined back and they continued with the session. So once again, a big thanks on behalf of the All India Educators Forum. I'll be trying to upload the video for those who missed the first part. I'll try to upload the video tonight. Okay, if not tonight, then definitely tomorrow morning you will get it. So thank you so much. Any last words? If anyone wants to say, then they're most welcome. Otherwise, we'll call it a day. Thank you. So thank you, ma'am.
So much.
Yeah, thank you, Ranjana, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thanks to all of us.
Thank you so much, sir.
It was a wonderful, amazing session.
Thank you, sir. Once again, thank you, sir.